Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our requirement analysis video for the college TUM for the course Material Science, and this would be our 108th requirement analysis video. And in the previous 170th requirement analysis video, we also did the University of Freiburg for computer science, and also after finishing that requirement analysis, I also showed you how to apply for that particular course for computer science in University of Freiburg. So people who are applying for University of Freiburg, please make sure you apply before December 15th, because December 15th is the deadline for summer semester 2026. Then as I told you so many times, I'll be going for vacation for 5 weeks. So people who want to watch some of the videos, then please comment it out so that I can plan now and record it and schedule it. Then yeah, that's the thing. Other than that, if you're seeing me for the first time, you don't know anything about this channel. In this channel, we make videos about requirement analysis and also application videos. At first requirement analysis videos, we cover what are the different types of colleges are there in Germany, and what are their requirements, what are the documents that you need to apply for that particular college, and what are the course that they offer. After getting to know all this, we also make an Excel sheet where we give criteria or take criteria about when is the deadline, what are where to apply. After having all this information, we also make how to apply videos where I show you how to apply by step by step using their portal or using UNI Assist. Then upon this also, if you need one-on-one session, then you can become our YouTube member, or you can also contact directly to me. Then you can also have a one-on-one session with me. Then without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, we will be doing our 108th requirement analysis video for Master of Science in Material Science Engineering MSc-E in TU Munich in München. So whenever we do the requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, cost and funding, requirements and registration. So in overview, degree, the Master of Science in Master of Science and Engineering. Course location is in Munich. Teaching language is English. Then language, the Master of Science in Material Science and Engineering master degree program can be studied up to 100% in English, so no need to have a German proficiency. This being said, if you speak German, you will be able to choose electives from even wide variety of courses, because some of the courses or some of the elective courses that they have is complete German. So this also I had in Stuttgart too, so where there are some good courses that are only offered in German. So if you are a person who want to do that subjects, understand what they are teaching, you can just register, read the subject, don't give the exam. Then you will be also covered with the knowledge that you wanted, because that subject was helpful for you. So that's the reason you can also do that. But there is a hell lot of course or complete course that you can finish 100% in English, so no need to worry about German if you don't want to do it. Then full-time, part-time, it is only possible full-time, and program duration is 4 semester. When it is TUM and for TU, then MSc, then usually it will be 4 semester. Beginning, it's only winter semester. That's the one important thing that we have to know here. Then the deadline is 31st May. So we cannot apply for summer semester 2026, and we can apply next year winter semester 2026, but the deadline is 31st May. So usually if the deadline is 31st May, that the application might start from April 1st. So that will be the starting of things. Then please make sure you organize your application documents and other things that we will know in requirements and registration. Tuition fees is 6,000 euros per semester, because most of the or all the courses in TUM is now paid, and it is up to 5,500 to 6,000 euros everyone. So every course. So you don't think like in some of the courses you don't need to have pay. Most of the international courses that they are offering now are 5,500 or 6,000 euros per semester. So you will have to do 4 semesters. 6 4 is 24. 24 is your complete course fees that you have to pay for your 2 years of engineering. Then additional information, so please refer for this particular website why tuition fees is there for TUM and who can get a scholarship and other things. Then description and context. Whenever you do this course, then these are the key objectives that you will learn in the programming, including enabling students with physical and mathematical model, complex technical physical process system, accounting for the material to be employed. So these are the key objectives that you're gonna do, but we gonna understand what are the course details. Based on that, how the course is structured. So here you can just see the first part of the program is semester 1 and 2, where you will acquire sound or where you acquired sound fundamental disciplinary knowledge. So yeah, the mandatory modules covered in material science, multi-scale models, numerical method, non-linear fluids, solid mechanics, and qualification and uncertainties. So these are the first year courses that you will do. So this is technically nothing but the compulsory modules that you need to go through in order to finish first and second semester, where you learn everything basics. Then in second part you will do your specialization thing, where you focus their studies on specific 1 or 4 areas, which will be multi-scale material principles, materials in engineering application, uncertainty, qualification and mathematical modeling, or material characteristics, characterization, testing and surveillance. So based on these 4 specialization, one student will choose whichever he want to study. Based on that area, you will have your individual electives and individual course that you will do in third semester. Then in the fourth semester, it will be your research advanced research internship recommended in third semester 3 if you want to do. Other than in fourth semester, you will do your master thesis. That's how your fourth semester is planned, and this is how your 120 ECTS will be divided. Then after finishing your master thesis and defending it completely, you will get a diploma supplement awarded at the end of the degree. Then international elements, so training, intercultural skills, project with partner companies German and abroad, international guest lecture, opportunities for students to work abroad, international comparisons of thematic reference and international context. So these are the things that you usually get to know with international elements. And there is no integrated internship. So the advanced research internship to be completed in third semester is either by a professorship at TU Munich or at the another university. So this is nothing but a research internship, not like a normal industry internship. But if you are one person who wants to do industrial internship, which is not also in curriculum, you can also always do it. But at that time you have to take a Urlaub semester. In fourth semester you can do 6 months industrial internship. But this research internship is nothing but a research project or some project you will do under professor. It is also considered as research internship. This is inside your curriculum, but industrial internship is not in your curriculum, so you have to do it voluntarily. Then cost and fundings, we already talked about. You need to have a 6,000 euros per semester fees. With that you will also have your semester contribution of 100-200 euros upon that, so that will be your total one semester cost. Then cost of living is estimated up to 1,200 in Munich, because usually it will be costlier. Then at first year you don't need to worry, because this average 1,200 you will be blocking for 1 year as a blocked account when you are applying for student visa, and that blocked account will be divided into 12 parts and sent to you every month. With that you can live for 1 year. After 1 year ending, you have to find a part-time job or any of the research assistant or any of the HEVI that you will show to visa authorities that you have a part-time job, so that you can get to so you can look after yourself for next years. Then funding opportunity within the university, yes, there are some international students can waive off their fees also by having scholarship and all. You can also see how you can get the student waiver and exemption of the fees. So if you fulfill all these things, then you can also get your student fees waived off. The main thing, which is requirements and registration. In order to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? So in order to get into master degree program, MSc in material science and engineering, you need to fulfill the following. You must obtain a bachelor degree after a program of at least 6 semesters. So people who are pursuing also can apply. At least 6 semesters should be done. So people who are in 7th semester, 8th semester, then they can apply. Okay, with a degree in mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, civil, environment engineering, chemical engineering, or any of the comparable degree program. So they are accepting from everywhere, but you need to upload it with module handbook so that they can deeply look into it, what are the things that you have studied, and you will be the correct fit for that. Proof of your expertise in GRE, you need to have a GRE or a GATE. So if you are a person who is coming from India who have given GATE, not GRE, then you can also prove your GATE score. But if you are going for just a normal test, then you need to take GRE, and you need to also have a good grade around 300 plus in order to have if you have, then it will be good for you to get an admission. So you need to have your bachelor degree at least finished in 6th semester, and GRE or GATE. In these two you need to have any one. Then and people who are coming from India, China and Vietnam, then you need to have APS certificate. Then you must prove adequate knowledge of English language. So English language proficiency you need to have here. We can check, it would be around 6.5 always. Based on other colleges that we did requirement analysis, we know already for TUM you need to have English language proficiency of 6.5. That is the adequate B2 level you need to have. Then you need to also pass the aptitude procedure at the master's degree program in MSc-MS&E and science engineering. So you have to refer to this particular course details where they have the aptitude test, how the aptitude test will be there, and what are the things that you need to have. So this is the application procedure, how you can apply, documents and other things. But this we will do when we do the requirement analysis, when we are applying for this particular course. As of now, it is only applicable, or we can only apply in winter semester, so no need to worry as of now. Once the application is there, then I will talk about the aptitude procedure, where depending upon they will also have the interview and other things. We will get to know once we are applying. But yeah, so these are the main documents that you need to know. You need to have just bachelor degree certificate, at least completed for 6 semesters, then GATE or GRE, IELTS, then ATS or APS certificate that you need to have. Then application deadline is 31st May for international students, so people who are applying from India or anyone who have to apply before 31st May, and we apply in their online application portal. So this is the requirements and registration that we needed to have.